You want to know the real secret? The reason mean people keep bothering you isn't because they're mean. It's because you're doing one simple thing that tells them, hey, you can walk all over me. And the crazy part? You have no idea you're even doing. But once you learn what it is and fix it just one time, everything flips. Mean people will suddenly leave you alone. Good people will start treating you better. So let's fix this right now. You react too fast. Someone says something mean to you, and you react right away. Your face changes. Your voice gets shaky. You try to defend yourself. That's exactly what they want. Toxic people feed on reactions. When you react fast, you're giving them power over your feelings. Here's what you do instead. Next time someone says something mean, do nothing. Just look at them, stay calm. Let 3 seconds pass. Then say something simple like, okay, or that's interesting. Your voice stays flat, your face stays calm. You're just unbothered. Watch what happens. They get confused, and most of the time, they just stop. Strong people don't react to everything. They choose what deserves their energy. You want respect. Stop being a puppet that anyone can control with words. You explain too much. You know what weak people do? They explain everything. Why did they make that choice? Why did they say that thing? Stop doing that right now. When you explain too much, you sound guilty. Here's the better way. Someone asks why you did something, you say, because that's what I chose. That's it. End of sentence. If they push more, you repeat the same thing. Stay calm. Don't get defensive. Most people will stop asking. And the ones who keep pushing? Those are the toxic ones. Strong people make choices and own them. They don't need everyone to understand or agree. That's what makes toxic people stay away. No consequences for bad treatment. This is the big one. You let people maltreat you over and over with 0 consequences. Unknowingly. They talk down to you, they cancel plans, they disrespect you. And what happens? Nothing. So their brain learns, I can treat this person however I want. You have to teach people that treating you badly has consequences. Not by yelling, by pulling back quietly. Next time someone is rude to you, you pull back. They text you, take longer to respond. They ask for help, you're busy. You're not being mean. You're showing them that bad treatment means they lose access to you. Do this once and watch. They'll notice something changed, and most will start treating you better because they don't want to lose you completely. This is how you train people without saying a word. You need everyone to like you. Here's a hard truth. As long as you're scared of people not liking you, they own you. Toxic people can smell fear. They can tell when you're desperate to be liked, and they use it against you. You have to get comfortable with the idea that some people won't like you, and that's okay. It's necessary for your life to get better. Next time someone clearly doesn't like you, don't try to fix it. Just accept it. They don't like you. So what? When you stop caring about being liked by everyone, toxic people leave because you're not easy to manipulate anymore. And good people respect you more. You can't have respect and be liked by everyone. Pick respect. It's worth way more. Be okay being alone. The ultimate power move. Be genuinely okay being alone. When people see you're happy by yourself, they treat you completely different. Here's what you do. Stop chasing people. Stop being the one who always texts first. Stop trying to keep friendships alive all by yourself. Pull back. Live your life. Be happy with yourself. And watch who actually puts in effort. The toxic ones will disappear. But the good ones, they'll reach out because they actually value you. This is how you filter your life. Pick one of these things. Just one. Try it this week. Maybe you'll stop reacting, maybe you'll stop explaining, maybe you'll create a consequence. Do it once. Watch what happens. Some will respect you more, some will disappear. That's exactly what should happen. Before you know it, toxic people will be gone and you'll be surrounded by people who respect you. If this helped you, consider subscribing for more stories like this.